Libraries are a wonderful place to work. We get to see and help so many interesting people. No 2 days are the same. As well as having a fantastic collection of books and resources, we offer a range of events and activities for all ages. The library is a safe and inclusive space, making it the hub of our community.